Did you know a copy machine technician discovered one of the biggest corporate espionage operations in American history? David Walsh was just doing routine maintenance on a Xerox machine at a defense contractor's office in 2019. But when he opened the paper tray, his blood ran cold. Classified documents marked top secret were scattered inside, forgotten by whoever had been copying them. At first, he thought it was an accident, until he checked the machine's memory logs. Hundreds of defense contracts had been scanned and copied over several months, all by the same group of executives after hours. When Walsh reported it to his supervisor, he was told to forget what he saw and offered a promotion to stay quiet. Instead, he documented everything and called the FBI. The raid uncovered a systematic operation selling military secrets to foreign competitors. His integrity prevented a massive national security breach. Today, Walsh earns six figures as a corporate security consultant, protecting companies from information theft. Sometimes doing the right thing really does pay off.